Welcome to the Healthy Living channel. This channel is dedicated to helping you to achieve healthy living by creating and uploading videos on healthy living, natural health, wellness tips, natural cures and recipes. We are passionate about helping you to attain natural, simple and healthy living. On this channel, you will find videos on healthy living, natural health and wellness tips, recipes, natural cures and dairy-free recipes. We upload new videos weekly on healthy living tips, natural care, natural cures, food ideas, nutrition, and healthy living. Subscribe to our channel and tune on the notification button so you can be notified when we upload new videos. We'd love to hear from you. Please support us by posting your comments, questions and feedback in the comment section to help us to improve. Once again, welcome to Healthy Living channel. Relax and watch healthy living videos to improve your knowledge of healthy living. Thank you for watching.